but leave a massive environmental footprint. We line our small kitchen bin with plastic bags to dispose the food scraps. But ask yourselves, are we actually truly aware that the plastic we use for just a few hours will remain on this earth for up to 500 years? That's why today we proudly introduce the Eco Kitchen Liner, locally known as K3M. This is a simple, low-cost STEM innovation that is set to redefine sustainability in our daily lives.
Why do we still cling to plastics in our kitchens? Because its properties are waterproof and convenient for containing dam waste. However, this exact durability is our ecosystem's worst enemy. Because plastic does not biodegrade. When organic waste is wrapped tightly inside plastic, it gets trapped, suffocating to produce harmful methane gas, while the plastic itself becomes immortal trash in our landfills. We need a solution that keeps the waterproof properties of plastic but carries the soul of nature, the ability to decompose easily.
This product is a living manifestation of the Global 3R campaign. We drastically cut down the daily consumption of single-use plastic garbage liners in our households. We give a minimum second life to old, discarded newspapers, and leftover cooking oil that will otherwise pour our drains. Recycle. When this liner is thrown out together with food waste, the entire unit breaks down into compost. We are recycling waste back into rich organic fertilizer.
How exactly is K3M created? Step A. Materials. We start with a simple, readily available waste material, old newspaper and a small bowl of leftover cooking oil. Step B. Apply the oil. This is where our step principles come alive. Apply a thin, even layer of cooking oil across the paper surface. The result? Paper that usually turns mushy when wet now becomes a highly reusable product, capable of holding soggy kitchen waste without collapsing.
Step C. Origami folding. Using a specialized origami technique, the oiled paper is precisely folded into structured form. It is a mechanical engineering. It ensures that the weight of the waste is distributed evenly across the base. Step D. Final liner. This gives rise to the completed K3M liner. It is durable, self-supporting, and features a solid foundational base. No toxic synthetic adhesive, just pure structural folding and natural oil protection.
Deploying this product is completely effortless. First, we fill the K3M with vegetable scraps, fruit peels, or daily organic food waste. Then, we fold it and keep it in a container for about 2 to 4 weeks. But if you want to make it simple, you can plant it directly onto the soil. And not just that, it also can become as a natural fertilizer for the plant. What is the absolute game changer? First, it composes very fast. Unlike plastic, K3M breaks down entirely within a composting system or a backyard garden in a matter of weeks. Second, it is incredibly economical. The production cost to make this product is practically zero because it relies entirely on household waste. And lastly, third, it directly prevents from plastic accumulation. Just imagine if every single household in Malaysia adopted K3M, millions of plastic would be diverted from landfills every single year. For your information, we have sold over 150 packs from our school communities. We have also received large amount of requests to sell more and buy more from customers.
The K3M project supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. K3M is target 12.5 by substantially reducing waste generation through active source reduction and upcycling.
SDG 13, climate action. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuel-reliant plastic industry, we lower our carbon footprint. Furthermore, organic waste properly composted within K3M
reduces anaerobic methane emissions in landfills. SDG 14, life below water. Plastic leakage into the ocean is a critical crisis in Southeast Asia. K3M serves as a frontline shield right in our kitchens, ensuring that zero plastic bags end up choking marine life or damaging coral reefs.
Does this product have commercial viability? Eco-conscious consumers, green restaurants, and modern households are actively seeking this exact bio-based solutions.
The K3M innovation proves that solving complex global issues does not always demand expensive, high-end technology. Sometimes all it takes is creativity, an old newspaper, a bit of oil, and a genuine desire to protect our home planet.
It is our small contribution toward a massive global goal. Let us make the new standard across every kitchen. Together, we can put an end to plastic pollution. A small fold for K3M.
A giant leap for our future generation.
Let us make the switch to the Eco Kitchen Liner today. Thank you very much.